Alright guys, today we are doing a 2022 week take of a Petro LaserWash in Keswick, and that has a LaserWash 4000, which is still surprisingly fair. But the only change is that they put in a new dryer timer at the end. But the rest of the equipment is still original. So yeah, I'm going to show you how dirty the car is quickly because we got a little bit of a lineup. Alright, my light is on, so you can see a little bit of spots on the windshield here. Basically dirty. Tires are dirty too. Paint job is dirty. A little bit. Like with the spots. Back windshield too is also dirty with this. Yeah. Really dirty today. It hasn't been washed for a while ever since we took it to the glide wash a month ago. And the windshield is dirty too. So will it do a great job? We're about to find out. I'm just going possible now. I haven't filmed this wash ever since 2020, when we got the basic. And the dryers are newer too. It replaced superior dryers that moves. Anyways, I'm going to possible now once we get to the entrance. Alright, here we go. The guys entering through the dryers. The wash is actually closed right now, but we're not the last person.
Welcome to Petro Canada.
Alright, here we go.
Thank you for using your wash and go cart.
5 washes remaining. I am going to stop here and see how I've washed it. Okay, so looks like I went too fast for the dryers, but that's alright at the beginning. Anyways, the dryers did went on the sides a little bit wet here. Clean the tires well, no dirt on the windshield. It did really well too, you can see. Didn't get off that, but it's a hard spot to reach. Didn't get the back windshield here a little bit. You can see it's a little bit dirty. On the passenger side, clean the tires. Yeah, dryers did well on the sides too. And for front tire too, like. And on the front, yeah, not bad. The dryers didn't do not that bad, but I think I went too fast at the beginning, so I'm not going to count that. So overall, for new Belanger dryers, did well. A little bit of blue water on the car left of a tri-foam, I guess. So overall, a bit of this wash. I think I recommend it. The wash is still doing a great job. And like I said, the only equipment they put in is the new PDQ dryer timer from the new LaserWash 360 Plus. I'm surprised this wash is still running, and hopefully it will not be replaced with a 360 Plus anytime soon, but I have a feeling it will. If it does happen, I will be sure to come back here and try out the new system. You can see here. The wash is still really running well, surprisingly. I highly recommend it. And if you get the wash without using the car wash card, I think it will be $17.99 or $15.99 or so. So yeah, let's do the overall review right now and see how well it did. So let's get started. I've given wash quality a 5 out of 5. Overall, the wash did a really awesome job. It got the dirt off the car, cleaned the tires really well, and it made the car shine. I'm not going to count the missed spot on the back windshield because I know it's a hard spot to get into. But all in all, for an older system, the wash did a really awesome job. I also give dryers a 5 out of 5 as well. Overall, the newer Belanger air cannon dryers did a really awesome job. It almost got enough of the water off the car. I'm not going to count the front of the car because I went too fast through the dryers at the beginning. But all in all, the dryers did a really awesome job, and you get 90 seconds of the dryer time. It really sucks that they replaced the superior dryers in 2020. It also did a great job as well, but however they moved. This is what the dryers looks like. I love how the sound of the wind when it was moving up and down. The newer Belanger dryers did well, but I still kinda prefer the old ones. I've given pricing a 4 out of 5, even though we used a wash and go card. For what you get, $15.99 for a SuperWorks wash is not a bad deal. You get a decent amount of things with the top wash, like the tri-foam. But however, it should be much cheaper. It used to be $13.99 in the past, but however they raised it up not that long ago. I'm sure if they put in the new 360 Plus, $15.99 for a top wash will be worth it. But for now, $15.99 for a SuperWorks wash with a 4,000 is not a bad deal, but I've seen cheaper car washes. I've given coverages a 3 out of 5. The 2 passes of pre-soak was kinda weaker, but the tri-foam had a really nice coverage. So overall, we just need to fix the 2 passes of a pre-soak. Overall, I will rate this wash a 17 out of 20. The wash and dryers did an excellent job, but however this wash is still endangered. The LaserWash 4000 is starting to become more rare nowadays. I'm saying that because most of the 4000s has been replaced with a new 360 Plus. And one thing's for sure, this wash will probably be replaced sometime soon. Judging by how there's already a brand new PDQ dryer timer here. That's the sign of it's going to be replaced soon. The last time we filmed this wash, the old dryer timer was still there. But when we filmed this wash not that long ago, the dryer timer has been replaced, telling me that the 4000 will be replaced anytime soon. It really sucks that they're going to rip out a really good maintained system and put in a brand new 360 Plus. I'm sure the new system will do a really great job like a 4000, but I still prefer the 4000 over the 360 Plus. A really weird thing about this car wash is the hours. It's not open 24/7 like the other washes. They usually open this wash in the mornings and they close it at 8 p.m. And another funny thing is that this wash is actually closed on Sundays. I really don't understand all the time. Yep, you heard me correctly. This wash is closed on Sundays. And I think I know a reason why they usually close it on Sundays and by evenings. This station is located right beside some houses. So they close the wash so that way people inside of their homes will not hear the dryers running all night. It's probably another reason why they replaced the superior dryers. The Belanger dryers are really more quieter than the superior dryers. And I guess it's another reason why they close it on Sundays as well. People doesn't want to hear the dryers run all day. But other than that, the wash did a really awesome job and I highly recommend it. Well anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this car wash video and until next time, I will see you guys later in my next car wash review. Peace out folks. Hey, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more epic videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this epic video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual.